Hi everybody, we're going to make a corner fun fold card today. And here is the card that's finished. You open it up like that. Okay, so let's get started. Here are the parts that you'll need. If you want to take a screenshot, go right ahead. We're going to start with, our card base is going to be 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. It's just one piece of card. Okay, and then we're going to use this for our card. So let me move these out of the way. And so we're going to take this 6 3/4 by 8, and we're going to emboss that. So with the front side up, we're going to emboss at 4. Or we're going to score it, sorry. Let's see, park the dark. And we're going to just be careful when you score DSP or pattern paper. You can rip it easily, so this is nice and thick. So then turn it a 1/4 turn to the left, and on the long side, we're going to score at 2 3/4. Okay, we'll put that away. And we're going to burnish our folds, turn it up like this. And turn it like this. Okay, and now you can see that we have our square right here. We're going to take this and turn it so that the good side is up, and we're going to fold it so that this line matches up with this line, and this fold line matches up with this one. Okay. Let's see, it's sort of hard to see. It's kind of finagle and jiggle it. It should go right through the intersection here of these two. There we go. And now when we turn it over and we pop it, this will fold in. And you have a nice card front. Isn't that pretty? It's got a nice, interesting inner. And then that now is able to glue on the card base. Be careful not to go too much to the end, because this glue has will spread. And if it does spread, get your rag ready. Okay. I'm just going to open this up, and I'm going to spread out my glue. Okay. So I have room to spread it. Very good. Okay, got a little bit of leakage, so I'm just going to take a rag and wipe that off. And then I can use my eraser to get that off after it's dry. So we'll wait till it dries. Now, we're going to take this piece, and this is 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. Now this is a different color. It could be the same as your base, but I chose a coordinating color. I wanted to bring out the yellows. And then this piece is 2 1/2 by 4, and I've already got it stamped with a greeting on the top, 2 1/2 by 4, and that is going to go here. Okay. Wiggle that into place. There we go. And then this will go on here. Okay. So the way I do that is just kind of take a look here and I know that I want to just place a little bit here on this side. So I'm just going to take this. Just put it up there in the corner. And you can do this last, this part last, but there we go. Now you have this corner here, and we're going to layer a 2.5 by 2.5 square. That'll go here, and then a piece of DSP or pattern paper, 2.25 by 2.25, and we'll put that on top. So. We'll be looking at it like that, and so I'm going to put it like that. Okay. And then on the bottom, we have 3 3/4 by 5. And this is your inside mat. And on top of that, I'll do it this way. I've already have this stamped Happy Birthday. And the 2 stamp sets I've used is, this is the one with you in mind, and the outside is with the right words. Those are the 2 stamp sets I used. And we'll just put this here. Right in the middle. I think I'll see if I can spread that glue out a little. Okay, so again, if you get a little bit of leakage, just take a micro towel and just wipe it off. Okay, that glue bottle is coming out kind of fat. I usually use a thinner one. A micro tip. Went with that today. That goes on there like that. And there we have it. Now to decorate. What I've chosen is some pieces from the Charming, I think it's from the Charming Day. And I'm going to put this here in the middle. Just put that right on like that. Just kind of dress it up in the middle, except that's going to close. So I'm going to put this on this side, I think. Like that. I'm going to switch to my micro. It's a little bit better. Control it a little more. There we go. And I can go down because this is going to cover that. And the top, oh, it's right here. Made a mistake on that side, and so you just flip it over and you've got another side to, there we go. And that matches nicely. Very good. And I stamped that in Strawberry Slush and Garden Green. And then I've got some Timid Tiger and Garden Green that I put that right here on the front. I think what I'll do is use some dimensionals. Let's see. Let's cut these in half. Sometimes a whole dimensional is just too big. There we go. Then I've got some low profile dots. Gotta dress it up a little, I think. I really like that sunny yellow, and I like the green. What do I have here? There we go. I almost wonder if I shouldn't, if I've got room for another. No, that's just a little too much. Let's just try. There we go. Another idea would be to take a flower from here and have it coming off the top or in the corner and just cutting it out. So that's another idea. But there you have it. To someone worth celebrating every single day. Happy birthday. So there's your fun, your corner fun fold card. Thanks for joining. So I wanted to show you, I did go back and I added some flowers that I fussy cut out of the DSP for the top. I just thought it kind of added to the top of the front of the card. And I just took them right out of here. And there you have it.